shall we start our discussion?
Yes.
Okay, first, I'm going to take our attendance first. Okay, please sign in. Okay, today we have to present our project, and everybody must present what the ideas are going to first week. Okay, who wants to start first? Who wants to present their first?
I start first.
Oh,
This week I'm searching for the saying, something like a few speech. Then I will choose which one I want to put inside my keychain or bookmark. This week I prepare to do bookmark or keychain. There is some of the word is that's very inspiring, like 3 words to sum up about life and life going on. This very inspire and motivate. I hope to put it inside my hanging or something like that lah. What is your opinion? Yeah. Leong. Sorry.
This week I already searched some phrase to put into my product. Then my idea is more to recycle, right? Use the ice cream wood, so we can decorate, write the word on the wood. So that I will design it so it will more attractive. So how about you, Faiz?
Yeah, my turn. Okay, I'm back. Tell you. Hi, Assalamualaikum, and hi, my name is Faiz. I think I want to make a bookmark. Maybe it is simple, but I hope it is very nice to look. Maybe I can use the materials from from recycled material, because at my college there are many boxes that can be used to make this bookmark. Okay. How about you, Liang?
Okay. Okay, hi. Hi, my name is Liang Yongle. For this week, I decided to make a bookmark. First, I have already searched for some samples on how to make a nice bookmark. The reason for me to choose bookmark is easier to do, and I hope to start from the easier. Then only I go for the further. And then besides, I have also searched for some suitable idioms to write it on the bookmark. And then now for the things I need to do is to search for some suitable materials to make the bookmark. Thank you.
Okay. My turn. Okay, hi, I am Shuhada. Okay, this is my project. My first project is bookmarks. Okay, this bookmarks is about friendship. Okay, the saying say that thou miles may lie between us. We are never far apart. For friendship doesn't count miles. It's measured by the heart. Okay, this is my first project. So I hope anyone can buy this for the last our project. Okay, now.
okay, my turn. For my first project, maybe I will sell frame. This simple frame, I will decorate with this, and I will print words and put in the words that I chose it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect.
Okay. So,
Do anyone want to add on some word?
Maybe that's all for today.
Okay, thank you.